Hello and welcome to day 9 of my electronic sound advent calendar video series, Build Your Own Synthesizer. And I wonder what we have in day 9's window. Let's open up and have a look. We have what appears to be another resistor. And am I going to guess at the value? Can I get it to focus? Is that 220? I think it's a 220. Let's see what's in the manual. Maybe this second resistor is going to do exactly what I suggested yesterday. Right. Oh, and we get a sneak preview of day 10 already, huh? Okay, so that's a resistor going down to ground instead of a direct line behind a 9th door. Oh, it's a 1K. Is it now? Ah, well. Brown, black, black, brown. You see, I had it the other way. And brown, black, black, brown, brown. Right, okay, they're actually 5-band resistors. Well, there we go. I was looking this way and saw red and thought, well, it's got to be 2 something. And I thought one of those was a tolerance band. Sigh. Right, so this is going to replace that wire. Will it improve the adjustment of higher frequencies? However, it will still end near the right stop. So my diagnosis of the flaw wasn't too bad, that it was too close to ground and therefore, there wasn't a lot going on there. Was a problem with that. So this one here, this one down here, and let's see how that improves the frequency. Oh, improves. If I'm very gentle with it, I can still adjust it. And here, did you notice that I adjusted it up? Frequency went down and the light got dimmer. And off it goes. Well, we already kind of seen what day 10 might be. Surprise, they have more resistance. We'll see. You know what, we will just tweak our little circuit here. All we've done really is added more resistance down here. And that is all is on the circuit. So let's just add that in before we call it a day. And that means we're adding more resistance here, which is not part of the adjustable set. And that's 1K for now. So we've added a resistor there to make it just a little bit more stable. Anyway, I hope to see you for tomorrow's Advent Calendar Day, and have a great day. Go make stuff and be awesome. Bye.